is this? Rissa here with Culture Fuzz. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited because I came across a beautiful palette by TwoGems Couture. Came in the mail a couple days ago and I wanted to do an unboxing because they had packaged it so pretty, but I couldn't help it. I just wanted to look at it. How gorgeous. So you have your glitter, and then you have your mattes and, you know, some like brown and mauve, and I wanted to do a review slash makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna do a full face of glam for you at 9 o'clock at night, and then I'm going to wipe it off and go the fuck to sleep. A lot of you guys watch other makeup tutorials, so you pretty much know how all of this goes. Stay Flawless 15-hour primer by Benefit. Because I'm gonna do like a full face of glam, I'm gonna put 2 different primers on. I'm gonna use the Hydra Blur primer by Dermalogica. It's a very good primer. I've never tried it with both before, but we're about to find out how this is gonna come out. So much going on in my life, guys. Put my 2 weeks notice in on Tuesday, and I have another job. I work at a doctor's office. Needless to say, well, actually it's necessary to say because that's why I quit. It's not the healthiest work environment and it's actually pretty toxic. And I tried to stick it out because, you know, I understand that work can be stressful, blah, 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 blah. Then it just started, like, I started to feel disrespected. I couldn't really tolerate that. I worked there for 3 years. You know, I tried to bite the bullet and stick it through and, you know, tell myself that it's not about me, it's not personal. You know, being a doctor is very stressful, but I couldn't convince myself of that anymore. I just realized I have very, very, very bad posture. I'm constantly hunched over. Like, even when I do my makeup, I'm just like, oh. I don't know why my shoulders are constantly up. Like, I feel like they're up here. That was the Milani Brow Pot in Brown. This is the LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in Natural, and I'm just going to highlight the eyebrows. So happy 2018, y'all. I hope everybody's year starting off really well. Everybody's really excited about, you know, make 2018 your year and make every day your day. That's how I'm looking at it. Do the little steps necessary to achieve the bigger goal. Because when you set big goals, it's kind of intimidating. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I put so much pressure on myself. I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to like personal stuff and me trying to better myself and just continue growing and being aware, helping other people, adding nothing but positive vibes to everything that I do, setting really, really large goals can be intimidating. And honestly, that's okay. It is intimidating. It is kind of intense when you haven't worked out for 2 years and then all of a sudden you're like, I'm gonna work out 5 days a week in the gym. In the back of your mind, you know you're low-key like, how the fuck am I gonna do that? That's everybody. The Tony Robbins and the Tom Bilyeu's and Ty Lopez's, Lisa Nichols, they are prime examples of constantly working on yourself every day. Every single one of those people that I mentioned, anybody that you look up to, anybody that you follow that you look up to as a mentor, I guarantee you has similar rituals, but they do something every single day to prepare them for their day or to get them boosted, motivated, uplifted, and everyone has their own cocktail. I really think starting off with baby steps, like, don't put such high expectations on yourself when you have been doing something one way for years. Like, seriously. Oh, sorry guys, that was the eyeshadow base from NYX, and then I'm gonna set it Beaches and Cream by Makeup Geek. I am a huge, huge, huge fan setting mini goals to get to the bigger goal. I apply it a lot in my everyday life, whether it's reading, studying. Like right now I'm moving and I have a lot of stuff to pack. I know that I'm gonna be moving in a month, so instead of waiting until the last minute and overexerting myself, I'm actually, you know, collecting boxes here and there. I'll dedicate like an hour a night and just pack. Right now it doesn't seem like I'm making a dent on anything, but I know in a couple of weeks I'm gonna turn around and be like, wow, I moved a lot of stuff. Next, I'm going to be going in with, I'm pretty sure this is Ofra. I don't know what color this is, but it's like a little bit darker than the Beaches and Cream color. So I'm gonna use this as a transition shade. Start building and really blend it out, because I think I'm gonna go for like a more glam look, and I by no means know what the fuck I'm doing. I watch YouTube tutorials. I am not claiming that I'm good at this. I've said this before, but I really love makeup. I've been using makeup since I was in high school. With the blessings of YouTube, I was able to learn more skills. My first makeup artist, actually, who I started to sit down and watch makeup videos, and I feel like she's a pioneer in the makeup tutorial game, is Michelle Phan. Nowadays, and maybe back then too, because I want to say this was like about 9 years ago now. Jesus, time flies. There weren't as many options or quality for a lot of things on YouTube. Michelle Phan, she's a G, she's a pioneer. Now she's just doing big things. Next, I'm gonna continue building on those browns. I'm gonna use, I don't know what color this is. It's by Buxom. I did a video recently I added to the Culture Fuzz book club called The Buddha Said by Osho, and I got a request to make a reaction video to some of Osho's videos, which I would absolutely love to. Give a thumbs up or comment below if you would like to see that. I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush that I used for those other transition shades and just blend. Like, the theme of this look is to make sure you blend. I want to do a glitter cut crease or some sort of something with the glitter. Haven't figured it out yet. More than likely a cut crease, but I just want it to be clean. And I've noticed the pattern of makeup cleanliness is blending. Burgundy Mermaid, by the way. I'm gonna go in with this brown with a smaller fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's really pretty. I think I just have to keep practicing with my blending, or I just have like really loose ass eyelids and I just need to drink more water. I'm gonna go back in and blend again with that fluffy brush. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of this brown right here just to kind of keep that blending thing going. And then now I'm gonna go in with one last color. I promise, guys, I just really wanna oomph this look up. So next I'm gonna go in with this color right here. There you go. Looking like an 80s dream right now. So next I'm gonna go in with the LA HD Pro Concealer. I've been wanting to use one of these angled eyeliner brushes to kind of paint the outline of the crease, because like I said, I'm still practicing and I'm still trying new things. I don't know if I picked this up from somewhere. extra as fuck, just how I like it. So I'm gonna go in on the lid with this color. Oh my god. That was just one fucking eye, dude. I'm not gonna make you sit through the other one. Okay, girl. My eyes have wings. So now we get to play with the glitter. NYX glitter primer, the holy grail that is constantly sold out at Ulta. And I am going to put that in the crease. This color right here. Ooh. Ooh. The glitter is like, you can pack it on or dust it off. It's really cool. Yo, seriously, I just glided it on my hand and it slides on there. It's really, I kind of underestimated it. Because when I played with it a little earlier, I felt like it wasn't gonna glide off like that, but my mistake. I think it's coming out fantastic. I'm gonna do the top liquid eyeliner. Not a huge fan of this brush, I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's by the number 7. So I went ahead and put my eyeliner on off camera because I don't really like that brush. I just have a hard time with it. So I was putting it on incorrectly, like stretching my eye, and I don't want to get disapproving looks by the gurus, if you know what I mean. Don't know why I had an accent like that, but whatever. And again, much thank you to Ashley D Beauty for teaching a girl how to put on eyelashes easily. Ever since I watched her video, I don't know, something clicked. Next, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. Alright, so I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector. This is in, I really don't know what shade this is in, but it's in my shade. Gonna put some drops of the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color Cinnamon. Next, I'm going in with the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer Corrector. This is in Nude Beige. white as a ghost. Gonna set the concealer with Poudre Fixacante Banana Setting Powder. I'm gonna put that puppy on for contour so I don't look so freaking white. Bring some color back to my face. Next, I'm going in with the True Match Super Blend Powder by L'Oreal Paris in the color W7. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. Warm my cheeks up. I'm gonna use the Artist Couture Diamond Gold Powder to highlight. Now I'm gonna work on my under eye, get a little smoke going. So I am gonna alternate between this color and this, probably this color and this color, to get a good smoke. I got this at the dollar store, y'all, by Elf Cosmetics. You know, by the Mr. Elf. It's kind of like a silvery pearl lipstick. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with my Santi lip liner in Dark Coffee. And then I'm gonna give it with a shot of the Mattitude by L'Oreal. Nope, I don't like it. I don't like this color, so I got the Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in, I don't know, it's this color though. It's like a deep reddish brown. 'Cause I think this lipstick is too light. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you like this look, and if you like what you see, hear, and feel, please subscribe down below and leave a comment if there's any other things that you want to see, any makeup looks. I also do Culture Fuzz Book Club. I do Culture Fuzz Conversation. If there's a topic that you want me to discuss, please comment below. I am more than happy to dive into some topics. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.